Hi, this is Chris.
This is Andy.
And this is Scott, and we are the Living End.
Yeah, we're here for a very important reason today, Scott. Why are we here?
We're here because Triple M are having Men's Mental Health Day today. 6 men commit suicide per day as a result of mental health issues, and rather than their Triple M's usual talking at you down your radio all day, they are going to shut up and allow you the chance to call a mate, call a brother, call a sister, call a father, call someone who may need you or you may need to talk about your mental health, your feelings, their mental health and their feelings. Because men, this is a serious issue. Take it seriously and talk about it.
Yep. Conversation can make all the difference.